Bullets firing everywhere, and there is nowhere to hide. It's a scary feeling, I tell you. A constant bombardment of information, adverts, and products. What's surprising is that it's all about weight loss and getting back into shape. Something you probably mentioned around your friends. That's the power of technology for you. Not only is your mom constantly nagging about the extra pounds you put on last Christmas, but you have artificial intelligence reminding you constantly on Facebook. Instead of poking yourself in the tummy with insulin or taking those harmful tablets, you could try something different. If you are confused at this point, no worries. What I have for you is an easy way to reverse diabetes. How? Well, you can eat fatty food and stuff that's rich in protein. The downside is reducing your carbohydrate intake. The food tastes better than what you eat usually. How you ask? By using an air fryer. Now, since I am short on time, let's get down to business. You get a free recipe book and a complimentary dessert recipe list. Want to know more? How does losing 1 pound in 72 hours sound? And there is no need to buy any fancy, highly priced groceries either. The price only $1. So how much have you spent on supplements before? And failed to shed some weight?